Hello students. Welcome back to Vihan Pathik Institute of Education and welcome back to online mathematics classes. In last class we have discussed problem number 7. In this class we will discuss problem number 8. The problem number 8 states that if 3 cot A equals to 4. Now this is the ratio. We need to check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A, whether it is correct, verified or not, right? So the solution is very straightforward. What we have done earlier, the same thing we'll repeat here. Again we'll write 3 cot A equals to 4. We'll divide 3 on both sides, so we'll get cot A equals to 4 by 3. Now this is the ratio, trigonometric ratio cot A. We know that. What is cot A? The ratio cot A defines adjacent side by opposite side. Again we'll draw the same right angle triangle, right angled at B, and measuring angle is A and this is C. Again with respect to A, this is opposite. With respect to A, this is adjacent and this will be hypotenuse. Now adjacent is given 4, hypotenuse opposite is given 3. We need to find out hypotenuse. Same, we need to use the same Pythagoras theorem, which states that opposite square plus adjacent square is equals to hypotenuse square. So opposite given, adjacent given, we need to find out hypotenuse. So 3 square plus 4 square equals to hypotenuse, we'll write it as AC, so AC square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 equals to AC square. Therefore AC square equals to 25 and AC equals to square root of 25, which will equal to 5 into 5, which will equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. Right. Now we need to find out the trigonometric ratios of tan A, which is opposite by adjacent, reciprocal of cot, so it will be 3 by 4. Sin A, which is opposite by hypotenuse, which is 3 by 5. Cos A, which is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is 4 by 5. Right. Now we'll find out the ratio between 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Now here tan A is 3 by 4. So we'll write it as 1 minus 3 by 4 square divided by 1 minute. So I'll write this here, 1 minus 3 by 4 square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 square, which will equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Now which will equal to, I'll continue here, which will equal to which will equal to 1 minus or 16 minus 9 divided by 16 plus 9, 16 will cancel, which will equal to 7 by 25. Now we'll find out the second one, which is cos square A minus sin square A. Cos is 3 by 5 square minus sin is 4 by 5, sorry, cos is 4 by 5 minus sin is 3 by 5 whole square, which will equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, which will equal to 7 by 25. Hence it is proved that 1 minus, or we can write it as equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is equals to equation 2, which verifies or which proves that 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. Hence proved. If you got any doubts, you can ask me, students. Thank you.